Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, I am going to explain the chapter Rupa Dari Nahi, and this is from the grade 3 textbook Gunjan. Let's start. Rupa is the name of a girl. Dari Nahi, Darna. Okay, the meaning of Darna is to get scared, to feel fear. And the word Dari Nahi, it is basically a past tense of Darna. Okay, like I got scared, I didn't get scared. So similarly here Rupa Dari Nahi, the meaning of the chapter is Rupa didn't get scared. First of all, we will start from बातों बातों में. In general, हमारे देश में राष्ट्रीय वीरता पुरस्कार किसे देते हैं? Okay, so just let me give few information about this राष्ट्रीय वीरता पुरस्कार. Okay, हमारे means ROUR. देश मीन्स कंट्री, राष्ट्रीय मीन्स नेशनल, वीरता मीन्स ब्रेवरी, पुरस्कार मीन्स अवार्ड. किसे देते हैं? किसे मीन्स टू हूम एंड देते हैं मीन्स गिव. सो बेसिकली like in our country the gallantry awards or the national bravery awards are given to whom? This is I explain word by word. So now basically the sentence is like to whom the national awards are given in our country. Do you know this? Okay, let me explain. National Bravery Award or the Gallantry Awards, it belongs to a category of the civilian award, and generally this award is given to the children. Okay, this award is given to the children who belong to the age group from 6 years to 18 years for their like extraordinary work that they did to save somebody's life, or they did something very courageous. Okay, so and it was started in 1957, and the first child who got this award, his name was Harish Chandra Mehta, and he was just 14 years of old. Okay, so let me give a brief. When he was 14 years of old, so there was a Ramlila ground, and in that ground our first Prime Minister, Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Ms. Indira Gandhi, and Mr. Jagjeevan Ram, and etc. Like so many high profile personalities were sitting there in that Ramlila ground, and they were watching the Ramlila. Do you know what is Ramlila? Ramlila is very famous. It's very known to most of the people. Okay, so all of a sudden what happened? It started getting fire at some place in some tent. So Harish Chandra Mehta, he was working as a volunteer there. When he saw that, immediately he just climbed. He climbed a pole, and it was almost 20 feet high. So, and he immediately, with the help of his scout knife, he cut that wire, okay, electric wire. The fire was coming from. Okay, so by his this tremendous job, the Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he got so impressed, and then he decided that like these kind of children should be awarded. Okay, and this incident, it happened on October 2, 1957. So since that time, these awards are being given to the children for their braveries, and till now, from that time till now, 871 children have got these awards. Out of that, 618 boys, 253 girls are there who have got this prestigious award. Okay, so basically it was the brief. I tried my best to make you understand like what exactly is the National Bravery Award. Because when you are going into the chapter, you need to understand few basics and the important things. Now let's start. हमारे देश में राष्ट्रीय वीरता पुरस्कार किसे देते हैं? To whom we give National Bravery Awards? जो मुसीबतों का डटकर मुकाबला करते हैं. मुसीबत means difficult situation, problems. डटकर means with great determination. Okay. मुकाबला means like to face something, to face some situation. करते हैं, वे क्या कहलाते हैं? What are those called who face any situation with their full determination? Okay, determination in the sense you can say here like who don't get scared. okay, who don't get distracted, who don't get fear without getting scared, without having any kind of fear, okay, with their full courage. अपनी बुद्धि और साहस का प्रयोग करके, बुद्धि मीन्स ब्रेन, इंटेलिजेंस, माइंड, साहस मीन्स करेज का प्रयोग करके, प्रयोग मीन्स यूज, ओके, छोटे बच्चे, छोटे मीन्स यंग चिल्ड्रन बड़ा कमाल दिखा सकते हैं, बड़ा कमाल इज काइंड ऑफ वंडर, ओके, बड़ा मीन्स बिग. तो बाय यूजिंग देयर इंटेलिजेंस और माइंड एंड courage, the small children, the young children, they can also show a great wonder, means they can also achieve something big, something that is not expected. Correct. इस कहानी में, in this story, कहानी means story, रूपा अपने साहस से, रूपा is the name of a girl, साहस से means with her courage, न केवल अपने दोस्त मनीष को बचाती है, केवल मीन्स ओनली, दोस्त मीन्स फ्रेंड, मनीष को बचाती है मीन्स सेव. सो इन दिस स्टोरी रूपा she does not only save her friend, and her friend's name is Manish, so she does not only save her friend Manish, in fact, बल्कि means in fact, डाकुओं को भी पकड़वा देती है, means she help to catch the dacoits. Daku means dacoits. रूपा एक निडर लड़की थी. रूपा was a brave girl. डरना means to get scared. निडर means someone who does not get scared. Right? This is just the opposite of डर. Who is brave? You can say like निडर means brave, courageous. So रूपा was a courageous girl. रूपा was a brave girl. उसे पढ़ने का बहुत शौक था. Shock is called fond, hobby, but here I would say she was passionate about studies. Okay, padhna means to read something, but we read so many things. We read stories, we read comics, correct, but here they want to tell कि like she was much interested in the studies, in the education. वह खेल कूद में भी चुस्त थी. चुस्त मीन्स एक्टिव, ओके, एंड खेल कूद मीन्स स्पोर्ट्स, मीन्स शी वॉज वेरी एक्टिव इन स्पोर्ट्स ऑल्सो. भी, यू कैन सी हियर दिस भी, द मीनिंग ऑफ भी इज ऑल्सो एंड और TOO, okay. So you can say like she was not an athlete, but she was almost equivalent to an athlete because she was too active, okay, she was too active in sports. एक दिन, वन डे, वह रुचि, रूपक और मनीष के साथ चोर सिपाही खेल रही थी. वन डे शी वॉज प्लेइंग thief and police with Ruchi, Rupak and Manish. So this Chor Sipahi, this is an outdoor role playing game played by the children, and generally the children, they divide this game in two teams. Okay, so one team acts as the thief and the other team acts as the police. Okay, and there is no limitation of the like number of players, like how many players must be there, 2, 3, no, how many they want they can. Okay, so Rupa, what exactly the Rupa was playing this चोर सिपाही का खेल with her friends. मनीष चोर बनकर कहीं दूर जा छिपा था, means मनीष hid somewhere far and चोर बनकर, मनीष चोर बनकर means मनीष was playing the role of a thief. कहीं दूर जा छिपा था, कहीं means somewhere, दूर means far, जा छिपा था means hid. Okay, so he hid somewhere far as because he was playing the role of a thief. So he was supposed to hide himself and he went somewhere far. Next paragraph. रूपा मनीष को ढूंढते हुए, ढूंढना means search. Okay, to search someone, to search something, that is called ढूंढना in Hindi. ढूंढते हुए means while searching. गन्ने के खेत में जा पहुंची. गन्ना means sugar cane. You can see in the picture. So गन्ने के खेत में जा पहुंची. खेत, basically the khet is a field where the crops are grown, okay, where the crops are grown. So that land that is enclosed, so that enclosed field is called khet in Hindi. So like गन्ने का खेत, sugar cane field, you can say potato field, आलू का खेत, कुकुम्बर का खेत, okay, like खीरे का खेत. So that was the sugar cane field. जा पहुंची means reached. So the meaning is of this sentence is, while searching the Manish, or when the Rupa was searching Manish, then she reached to the sugar cane field. पर यह क्या? But what is this? पर, this par, basically it has two meanings in different sentences. It depends. The one per is the per feather, birds, feathers, wings. Another is but, but per. So here this is, the meaning is but. But what's this? यह क्या? What's this? मनीष के हाथ पांव, हाथ means hands, पांव means feet, रस्सी से बंधे हुए थे. रस्सी means rope. बंधे हुए थे, बंधना means like to tie something. बंधे हुए थे, this is the past tense, so were tied up. Okay, so Manish's hands and feet were tied up with the rope. उसके मुंह पर कपड़ा बंधा हुआ था. उसके means his, मुंह मतलब mouth. Okay, पर कपड़ा cloth, बंधा हुआ था, was tied. A cloth was tied over his mouth. Just let me explain it one more time. In the brief, Rupa was a brave girl. She was passionate about studies. She was very active in sports. One day she was playing thief and police with Ruchi, Rupak and Manish. Manish, he was playing the role of a thief and he hid somewhere far. While searching Manish, Rupa reached to the sugarcane field. But what's this? Manish's hand and feet were tied up with the rope and a cloth was also tied up on his mouth. Next paragraph. रूपा एक पल के लिए सहम गई. एक पल means a moment, a second. सहम गई means to get frightened. So Rupa got frightened for a second. फिर साहस बटोर कर, then she mustered up courage. उसने मनीष के मुंह पर बंधा कपड़ा खोला means opened. Okay, opened, opened. This is again the past tense of opened. So she opened that cloth that was tied up on the Manish's mouth. तभी means then only, किसी ने, someone, पीछे से रूपा के कंधे पर, पीछे से मतलब from back side, रूपा के कंधे पर, कंधा means shoulder. Okay, so on the Rupa's shoulder हाथ रखा means capped hand. Okay, means then only someone capped hand on Rupa's shoulder from back side. Rupa डरी नहीं. Rupa didn't get scared. उसने, they have used this word usne for Rupa. Okay, so means who? उसने means she. उस आदमी के हाथ को means the hand of that man जोर से काटा, bit forcibly. The word जोर से, it has multiple meanings based on the situation, based on the sentence. So sometimes it is like when you are calling someone loudly, so that time also we say जोर से. If you're pushing something like door or table, जोर से, that time also we can say forcibly or with great power, energy, strength. So जोर से. So if the word जोर से, here the meaning is जोर से is like she bit that man's hand forcibly with full power. दर्द के मारे उस आदमी ने, दर्द means pain, के मारे मतलब because of, due to pain. Okay, due to pain उस आदमी ने, that man, अपना हाथ, his hand, हाथ means hand, खींच लिया. खींचना means pull, to pull something. खींच लिया. This is again the past tense. It means pull. So due to pain, that man, he pulled his hand away. Just let me tell you one more thing here. Whenever in Hindi you say the word ne, na ek hi matra ne, so it means that sentence is in the past tense always. Remember this thing, okay? Ne, okay? Like मैंने खाना खाया, I ate food. Now, रूपा उसकी पकड़ से निकल भागी. Means Rupa escaped herself and she ran away. Means the man, he could not be able to catch and hold Rupa, okay? Or he could not attack on Rupa. वह आदमी, that man, डंडा लेकर, डंडा is kind of a rod, or you can say it is a stick. You can see in the picture, this picture, you can see in this picture. So this is called in Hindi danda. And you can see here the Rupa is running here and the man is following. वह आदमी डंडा लेकर रूपा के पीछे भागा. That man holding that danda, holding that rod or stick, he started following Rupa. भागा means he ran. Next paragraph. भागते हुए, while running, रूपा की नजर एक पत्थर पर पड़ी. नजर meaning is sight, 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 okay? पत्थर means stone, पर पड़ी basically the meaning of नजर पड़ना is called when we notice something, that is called नजर पड़ना. For example, मेरी नजर एक कार पर पड़ी थी. Yeah, I noticed one car, okay? Kind of. So while running, Rupa also noticed one stone was there. उसने पत्थर उठाया. She picked up that stone और उस आदमी की ओर जोर से फेंका. And she threw that stone forcibly towards that man. Okay, just I'll take your 2 minutes. Or, the word this or, it means towards something, like towards east, towards west, towards temple. Okay, so and one more or is there, but in that or ki matra comes, double matra. The meaning of that or is A and D and. So please don't get confused between or and or. So she picked up that stone and she threw towards that man with the full energy, okay, with the full power. निशाना ठीक बैठा. निशाना means target, okay? ठीक बैठा means it was absolutely right. The target was absolutely on the right spot. So what exactly the sense is? The sense is like the stone that she threw, it didn't miss the target. It didn't go here or there, something. No, directly it hit that man. उसके सिर से खून बहने लगा. उसके, this word has been used for the man, okay, not for Rupa. सिर से, सिर means head, you can say. Sometimes it is head, okay. खून बहने लगा. खून means blood. बहने लगा. Whenever in Hindi, लगा, लगी और लगे, these words come, it means something started happening. Okay, something started happening. Like somebody started walking, somebody started singing, the water started flowing. So लगा, लगी, लगे. Just remember this, okay. उसके सिर से खून बहने लगा. The blood started flowing from his head. उसकी आंखों के आगे अंधेरा छा गया. आंखें means eyes. अंधेरा means dark or darkness. आगे means in front. Sometimes it is forward also. तो उसकी आंखों के सामने, in front of his eyes, अंधेरा छा गया. It was completely dark. वह लड़खड़ाकर गिर गया means गिर पड़ा. वह लड़खड़ाकर गिर पड़ा means fell down. लड़खड़ाकर means like when somebody or something is not in the proper situation to stand, okay, he or she is not able to stand properly, you can say kind of wobbly feet, WOBBLY, wobbly feet means when someone is not able to control himself in making stand straight or sitting properly, kind of, that is called ladkhadana. As an example, I can say when someone gets hurt in foot, then he walks like with a wobbly feet. Chairs, you can say like when the chair's leg are not properly in the balance or something, then it feels ladkhadana. Okay, so those kind of things are called in Hindi ladkhadana. Next paragraph. रूपा ने लपक कर डंडा उठा लिया. लपक कर मीन्स इमीडिएटली विदाउट वेस्टिंग इवन अ सेकेंड. ओके, तो रूपा ने लपक कर, रूपा इमीडिएटली डंडा उठा लिया. उठा लिया इज द पास्ट टेंस टू फॉर द पिक समथिंग. सो रूपा पिक्ड दैट रॉड इमीडिएटली और लगी एंड स्टार्टेड उस दुष्ट की पिटाई करने एंड स्टार्टेड बीटिंग दैट विकेड पर्सन. दुष्ट मीन्स something or somebody like who is not good, which is not good, somebody that intentionally harms others. Okay, so that is called dusht. You can say means something the opposite of good, means bad. वह बेहोश हो गया. बेहोश मीन्स फेंट, FAINT, फेंट. सो ही फेंटेड. रूपा ने भागकर मनीष की रस्सी खोली. मीन्स रूपा ran fast and she opened up the rope of Manish. She made him free from that rope. दोनों ने मिलकर, दोनों ने मीन्स बोथ, मिलकर मीन्स टुगेदर, उसी रस्सी से with the same rope उसे बांध दिया. Tied him. किसको बांध दिया? किसको बांध दिया? Who they tied? उन्होंने बांध दिया डाकू को. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. रूपा बंदी की चौकसी करने लगी. बंदी मीन्स अ पर्सन हु इज कैप्टिव और काइंड ऑफ प्रिजनर. चौकसी मीन्स टू गार्ड समथिंग और somebody. Like as the security guards, they do chaukacy in our societies, in the factories, companies, like that. So chaukacy is basically an action word. It's an action word. It's a verb. And the person who does this chaukacy, he is called chaukidar in Hindi. Okay. So, but here Rupa was not chaukidar, but at that moment she started doing chaukacy. Okay, or you can say like she started keeping a watch on that man. She started to keep a watch on that man. और मनीष गांव वालों को बुला लाया. एंड मनीष he called the villagers. गांव means village and wala, wali, wale we say for particular person or a group of people who belong to something or someone. So like दूध वाला, milkman, sabzi wala, vegetable hawker, auto wala means auto driver, rickshaw wala, rickshaw driver. तो गांव वाला means the person who belongs to that village. Okay. So Manish called the villagers. गांव वालों ने रूपा के साहस की बहुत प्रशंसा की. Means villagers they appreciated a lot Rupa's courage. Okay, प्रशंसा means to appreciate something. एक आदमी ने, one person or one man, बंदी को पहचान लिया. Again this is the past tense for identifying something or someone. पहचानना means to identify, to recognize. So एक आदमी ने, one person identified that captive or that prisoner person. You can see here. So this is that captive prisoner. So one person he identified that captive. और बोला and said. बोला SAID said. अरे ओ यह तो अपने गांव से भागा हुआ दुष्ट खचेरू है. मीन्स यह तो मीन्स ही अपने गांव से मीन्स फ्रॉम हिज विलेज. भागा हुआ मीन्स somebody who is on run to hide himself. ओके, उसको कहते हैं जनरली भागा हुआ. ही इज कॉल्ड जनरली भागा हुआ. दुष्ट खचेरू है, wicked खचेरू. So the name of that person who was following Rupa or who tied the Manish with the rope, the name of that person was Khacheru. Okay, so ultimately that man, what did he say or what did he tell? He told that he is the bad Khacheru or he is the wicked Khacheru who is on run from his village. पुलिस इसको गिरफ्तार करना चाहती है. पुलिस wants to arrest him. गिरफ्तार, the meaning of गिरफ्तार is arrest. When police arrests prisoners, like that. सो पुलिस इसको गिरफ्तार करना चाहती है. चाहना, द मीनिंग ऑफ चाहना इज वांट, WANT, वांट. लाइक आई वांट टू गो टू दिल्ली, मैं दिल्ली जाना चाहती हूँ. यू कैन से. ओके, सो पुलिस वांट्स टू अरेस्ट हिम. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. खचेरू को होश आया. ओके, मीन्स खचेरू regained his consciousness, means now he started coming back into the senses. Okay, तो उसने अपने आप को जेल में पाया. Then he found himself behind the bars. Jail, you can see this is cell, okay, where the criminals are kept. That is called jail. Paya means found, the past tense of find. अपने आप को मीन्स हिमसेल्फ. सो ही फाउंड हिमसेल्फ इन द जेल. उसका मुंह सूजा हुआ था. मुंह मीन्स फेस. हिज फेस वॉज swollen. सूजन, बेसिकली द मीनिंग ऑफ सूजन इज कॉल्ड swelling. सो मीन्स देयर वॉज swelling ऑन हिज फेस. द फाइनल मीनिंग इज दिस. और एंड सिर पर पट्टी बंधी हुई थी. ऑन हिज forehead. Basically, the meaning of sir is head, HEAD, head. But as per the picture, you can see like the patti. Patti means bandage. It was on his forehead. Patti bandi hui thi. There was a bandage on his forehead. Next paragraph. उसने पुलिस को बताया. He told the police. उसने. Again, I'm telling this. उस is they have used for he, for खचेरू, and in ne again this is the past tense. उसने पुलिस को बताया. He told the police, मेरे कुछ साथी, मेरे मतलब माई, कुछ means few, साथी means companions or friends, आज रात means tonight, मुखिया के घर, at the house of the मुखिया. Basically the meaning of मुखिया is the head person of a village. In village, mainly what happens, the people, they chose a particular person to take care of the village, or any dispute is there or any concern is there, something. So generally they go to that person and he only takes decision in favor of something or somebody. So in village, those kind of people or that person is called mukhiya, means who he was the head of that village. Okay, as we have head principal in the schools, similarly the head person of the village is called mukhiya. So what he told my few friends tonight at the house of the mukhiya, डाका डालेंगे means will loot. Okay, so he told that few of my friends will loot the house of the मुखिया tonight. यह समाचार मिलते ही, यह मतलब this, समाचार means news, मिलते ही means as this news reached to the police or as the police got this news, चौकन्नी हो गई. पुलिस चौकन्नी हो गई means police became alert. चौकन्नी means alert, means to be ready to do something. Okay, हो गई means became. So as the police got this news, police became alert. रात के समय, during the night, स्कूल के पास, near by the school, एक जीप रुकी. One jeep stopped, means when it was night. Okay, so one jeep came and stopped near by the school. उसमें से 4 डाकू बाहर निकले. 4 dacoits came out from that jeep, means 4 thieves came out from that jeep. पुलिस ने तुरंत means immediately, उन्हें गिरफ्तार कर लिया. arrested them means police immediately arrested all of them, or those 4 thieves who came to rob the mukhiya's house. उनमें से एक के हाथ में बंदूक थी. बंदूक मीन्स गन, राइफल. सो देयर वॉज अ राइफल इन द हैंड ऑफ वन थीफ आउट ऑफ दोज 4. अगले दिन, नेक्स्ट डे, अगले दिन मीन्स नेक्स्ट डे, समाचार पत्रों, दिस इज द प्लूरल form of the Samachar Patra, and the meaning of Samachar Patra is newspaper. में डाकुओं के पकड़े जाने की पूरी घटना के साथ, पूरी मतलब होल, WHOLE होल, घटना मीन्स इंसिडेंट, के साथ मीन्स विद, रूपा के बड़े बड़े मतलब बिग चित्र मीन्स यू कैन से पिक्चर, फोटोग्राफ, छपे थे मतलब समटाइम्स इट इज पब्लिश, समटाइम्स इट इज प्रिंटेड. तो नेक्स्ट डे इन द न्यूज पेपर्स देयर वर big pictures of Rupa with the whole incident of catching the robbers, catching the dacoits. Okay, so I hope the story is clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt or any word meaning you didn't understand, kindly post in the comment section. Kindly keep sharing your feedbacks. So what is the moral of this story is? Moral of the story is like, if we are determined to do something, okay, and if we use our mind and courage, then we can achieve something that is really unexpected for others. Okay, so generally in any situation we should not leave the patience, we should not get scared, face the situation. So if Rupa wanted, then she could have also run from that situation, but still she tried to help her friend, and finally what she got, she didn't know about that Khacheru, like who is this Khacheru, but she mustered courage, and at the end everybody comes to know that that person, he was a wanted criminal, police is looking for him, and Rupa was awarded for this great achievement. It's enough for today. See you soon in my next video. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.